Competition Act will play important role when there is a kind of a anti-competitive agreements if happen considering a trade secret, then that will take that role of Competition Act will come into the picture. But again, for trade secret, that challenge will be there when you are applying that Competition Act. I will say that if you see Information Technology Act and the Contract Act are the major, we can say, the important acts when we are talking about a trade secret. Along with these, you can think about, strategize your that protection of that confidential information, maybe by using these particular acts. Okay. Indian Penal Code may help you in if some unfortunate event happen, and Company Act section 166 you can just check, because that is something related to the confidential information, and then the directors, which are that the obligations for the directors. Okay. So section 166 of a Company Act is there. Then section 405 also is there, which is dealing with a criminal breach of a trust. Okay. So this is about the Company Act.